Aerotoscana was born from our passion for aviation and adventures. Nowadays, we are dedicated to offer innovative solutions to protect the most valuable crops in Chile, like the cherries, in the face of climate challenges.
Our work begins before dawn.
For example, we arrive at the field, it is raining heavily, and we wait until the rain stops. When the rain ends, we get on the helicopters immediately and we go out to fly. Depending on the variety of cherry, there is a priority. Why? Because the cherry, when it is red and about to be harvested, absorbs water very quickly, and that causes the cherry to split. We dry the entire property, we land, and if it's rain again, we hope it stops raining, to go out and fly again. It is constant drying, and we are on the field 24/7 at the disposal of the field manager in order to save the harvest. Air generated by the helicopters helps to dry the excess water from the fruit without damaging the plant.
The R66 is the perfect tool for this type of work. It has a compact size that allows you to land hard to reach places. Advanced systems such as radar altimeter, Garmin, digital displays, auxiliary tank, and reinforced filter. It gives you unparalleled security, and the visibility it is wide, allowing you to see wires, trees, or obstacles that are at a low altitude. The working days are long. We work during the day and night.
Aerotoscana is much more than a job for us. It is a commitment with the people we work with.
Every flight or every operation for us is a challenge in showing our dedication and our greatest effort for delivering the best work.
Today, it has become a constant challenge to offer the highest standard of professionalism worldwide.